Mayflay Machinery Huizhou Company Limited is a research and development, design, production, market, installation, service, and trade in one diversified enterprise. We own CNC bending machine, CNC cutting machine, sewing machine, drilling machine, lathe, milling machine, shot peening, shot blasting test equipment, shot blasting, shot peening laboratory, advanced processing equipment and measuring instruments. In 2016, Mayflay Machinery Huizhou Company Limited was established. We produce and sell shot peening machine, shot blasting machine, and sand blasting machine. We develop China and international market. Our enterprise concept is integrity, people first, quality first, win-win. Our product concept is survive on quality, promote sales to stimulate production, continuous innovation. And our enterprise policy is take the market as the guidance, take the technology as the core, take quality as guarantee, take customer satisfaction as the mission. Mayflay has set up R&D center and laboratory both in Kunshan City and Huizhou City, composed of outstanding engineers with doctor's degree or master's degree, using advanced inspection equipment, focusing on the R&D of shot peening machine, shot blasting machine, and sand blasting machine. We continuously innovate and strengthen the key technology of our equipment. Over the past few years, Mayflay has been continuously increasing expense on R&D, which accounts for 7% of sales revenue. In the future, Mayflay will continue to increase expense on R&D, devote ourselves to provide products with excellent services and experience for our users.
Welcome to Mayflay. We are manufacturer of shot blasting machine, shot peening machine, and sand blasting machine. We offer our customer with qualified equipment of competitive price and good service.
Welcome to visit Mayflay.